Great content keeps people on your site. Are you sure you have the right stuff? An optimized and informed content gathering process is what ensures you fill those pages with confidence. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to collect the text, images, videos, and more to keep your site visitors on page and engaged. Because gathering content efficiently means clearing production bottlenecks, maintaining project flow, and increasing conversions. Before you start collecting though, you need to do some prep work to make the gathering process more effective. To kickstart your content collection trek, start with a content inventory. Like spreading out a treasure map, this first step reveals what you already have. Use the content inventory spreadsheet linked in the description to keep track of everything. Then do a content audit to sort out your strengths and weaknesses and highlight content gaps. Bring Google Analytics data into your inventory spreadsheet to ensure your content decisions are data-driven. Using that info, rank pages by their charm, aka conversion rate, and keep tabs on social engagement to pinpoint and double down on the content that converts and does well on social media. Also, look at time on page to understand what users are gravitating towards. On the flip side, you'll want to ID pages that make visitors vanish, those with high bounce rates, and breathe new life into them with the content you'll collect. Review each page's SEO elements, like title and meta description, to ensure they match on-page content to increase search visibility. Lastly, take a look at your inbound links. Before making any major changes, you'll want to preserve the link juice you've built and avoid hurting SEO. Now we gather. First, identify your key content elements. Our world thrives on content, from crisp text to eye-catching images and captivating videos. Remember to sew in meta descriptions and optimize your headings, image alt text, and other SEO elements for that top rank glow. That content audit is a big helper here. Next, set clear deadlines. Content gathering and creation has a lot of moving parts, and like a conductor of an orchestra, you need to keep them in time. Setting explicit due dates provides clarity and manages client expectations. Provide crystal clear guidelines. Ever tried assembling furniture without instructions? Neither have we. Give your content creators outlines, as well as a style and tone guide, and watch everything come together. No extra screws. Lastly, skip the wild goose chase and use a content gathering tool like our content planner to anchor all your materials, creating a single source of truth for everything from the spark of an idea to the final draft. Now, there is a slight difference in how you go about gathering content for a new site versus an existing one. Here it is in a nutshell. For new websites, create a website content plan to provide direction. Set up a content gathering workflow. Build a system for approvals and publishing. For active sites, audit existing content on the website. Review and optimize your content management process so you're not buried in emails or bouncing between a dozen apps. Build a plan for future site content. That's the whole kit and caboodle. So here's to less chaos and more creation, to making websites that aren't just viewed, but experienced. Once you've gathered all that content, how are you going to turn it into quality content? Well, click here, and I'll walk you through creating a content workflow that'll turn your raw materials into the content your audience craves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.